It's too far. Just floor right here.
Traction control off.
Scared the shit out of me.
So I got my license. I'm doing 65.
Living the life.
I'm doing 70. I better slow down. Oh shit, this car.
God damn it, mother!
God damn it, Bobby!
Get the damn vacuum!
Holy shit, it corners like a drain! Let me give it a little gas like NASCAR. They had too many pairs. Hey, look! Brights? No brights. Brights? No brights. Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna videotape the whole way home. Maybe a little video. Or at least till it stops.
Is it like 40 minutes back?
I don't know.
What? Where are you? Where's your street club? What? Oh,
Went to the strip movies. Fuck you, you motherfucker.
wait, what?
I said, fuck you, you motherfucker.
That's what she said.
That's it.
Fuck you. Wait, you're literally gonna record.
Hey, roll the windows. Roll up that one because I'll punch you so hard.
Oh, that's so good. Wait, roll this one up?
Yeah.
It won't roll up. Shit.
Oh my god, dude. So nice having you see. And I can talk to my viewers. My 9 fucking viewers.
What's up, you?
Hi. Don't act gay, you're in my truck. I'm literally making it all.
Oh, yeah.
Like Victor.
Get out!
You should tell them about that story.
So one day, a long, long time ago,
About 5 minutes ago.
about 10 minutes ago,
5.
it was 10. We sat there for 6 minutes and then
Okay, so we sat there for 6
Okay,
minutes.
so I stopped at a red light, or fucking red light, a fucking stop sign. This motherfucker called me stupid. So, shut up! Okay, I do a lot of fucking editing. But, he called me stupid, so I was fucking with him, and not in the gay way, so fuck you. I don't like that either, unless you're off. I'm distracted from these faggots. By the way, I'm doing 75 and a 60. So this video might turn into a video. But we were driving because you want to get the fuck out. And then I pull over at this gas station, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. And I literally turned the fucking truck off and said, get out. Sorry, I screwed my light. Fuck, dude, I sound like I smoked a shit ton. But you want to get the fuck out. I told him to say, hey,
Hitchhike.
hitchhike. You know what you tell me? By the way, he's Mexican.
Hey! There's 2 Mexicans and 1
Yeah, but one white.
Puerto Rican in the car.
And one's more white.
No, he's more Mexican, actually.
Oh, there's something wrong with your phone.
Well, you're Puerto Rican.
Yeah.
But anyways.
See, I can talk shit because I'm Puerto Rican.
Anyways, he pulls out a knife, he gets out of the car, and they try to hitchhike. Next thing you know,
The truck cranks up from the fucking keys because I turned the truck off with my keys.
and I say, holy shit, what the fuck happened?
I say, holy shit!
Oh shit. Oh shit, man.
He sounded like he had something going up his ass.
Really?
Oh, really?
He's gonna pull over
Oh, yeah, I should do that again.
No!
Dog, it's only like been 4 minutes ago. But, yeah.
Wait, that's not done.
Actually, I don't look like you. lucky he didn't have balls on it. He'd be fucking gay. But I said something like, get off my ass. It's called a break or let off the gas.
Yeah.
No, you did like that. Get off my fucking ass! It's called a fucking break!
Or let off the fucking gas!
Damn straight!
No, if I had like a CB radio and a speaker in the front, I just slam on my brakes and if you hit me, I'm like, I said to get off my ass. I literally say that.
So we're doing, you know, my ass.
What if I can get this off?
No, don't try it. Don't try it.
Hey, if I let you hold the steering wheel, are you fucking gonna make a wreck?
I'm actually a good driver.
Yeah, he actually is a really good driver.
75.
You should let him drive.
Fuck you. I'm getting paid for it. I'm trying to make a montage with all the pictures, but I can't upload different
shit,
songs
come on.
to it.
You dumbass. Wait, how'd you supposed to take Tyler home?
Yeah. Dude, we were at the bowling alley for like an hour, and I was supposed to take my friends home, and then me and my other friends I brought to the bowling alley. We left and went to the prairie.
Yeah.
And it's almost 10, so.
You should say our names.
No.
Okay, then. They don't, shit, they do.
Wait, Bubba's in prison. Wait, there's more of them out
Why
Fuck,
the
they
fuck
do.
did you bring that up?
Who the fuck is Bubba?
I don't know.
there. Where's the Forrest Gump?
Oh.
Who the fuck is that?
Have you seen Forrest Gump? Oh, that's the
I've
guy
seen it,
that
but
wants
I've
to
never
make
really-
Bubba shrimp.
Oh, okay, I know what you're talking
The
about.
black guy that wants to make the shrimp company. Ouch.
Hey.
Want your cornbread? Nigga, I want my damn cornbread. What the fuck? Nigga, I'm hungry.
Hey, don't say nigga. We're not racist.
Oh, yeah.
There's a difference between
Big guy, I want my cornbread.
Big guy, I want a girl, right?
my corn.
My corn. My cornbread.
I want my Juan bread.
I love this guy.
What the fuck?
Hey, by the way, I'm not racist. I can just talk shit.
It's just for all fun and games until you actually say it's a black guy.
And then that ain't no fun.
Wait, if y'all live in Okeechobee, y'all fucking go through Newberry with a rebel flag on the back like I did, just don't do it.
Oh, I'm just saying, Dewberry is mostly filled with Mexicans.
Okay, but one fucking black guy, no, I don't think I'm racist. One fucking black guy in his Dodge Charger was coming after me just because I had one on the back of the truck. But it's mainly my friend's fucking fault because he was playing real racist music. But he's not racist. So, he's fucking stupid.
Gotcha.
I don't know what to talk about. He's on your video.
Yeah. We're almost home, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna talk like 30 minutes later. Considering the 6 minutes that we stopped.
Yeah, because you're a dumbass.
I didn't want to get out, bro. I didn't want to.
He's gonna get pulled over.
I didn't want to get a. I didn't want to hitchhike. You don't know who could have came at me. Oh shit, we're almost home.
Right, yeah, ask
So you come.
Well, these people want to know where I live. I don't pull up your house with the videos.
Oh yeah, you just gotta blur out our address.
I don't know how to do that.
You need a computer.
Man, I'm doing way more than speed limit.
Yeah.
I'm going 60 and speed limit fucking 45.
Like it ain't no fucking here. The cops.
No, I need to stop
right here.
Slow down. The cops are always up there.
Yeah.
I thought you were seeing one.
No, they're always up here camping.
Yeah.
They're just hiding right there.
Yeah. They could be hiding like right here as soon as you pull
Dog, I
up.
was scared the piss out of me, dude. You're like, oh, I'm like, fuck.
Look, sometimes they'll be hiding right there, blending in with those cars, or hiding over there.
Yeah, but I have a good eye for cops, surprisingly. No, all the stupid shit I did.
They'll be
I'm
hiding right behind them.
A guy got pulled over because there was a cop right there in that little area. The bitch didn't even see him.
They'll hide like up here in the bushes or behind the building right there, behind that building.
There was a K9 unit that's sitting right there.
Holy shit.
So
Hey, there was water there. Dog, I wanted to delete almost everything off my phone and have this as a dash cam. day, it took us 11 minutes to get here.
Damn, that's not bad.
That's all it is, dude.
Like almost 90
No,
until we hit like that road. Then we hit like almost 100.
no, on the way there, I was fucking gunning the shit out of it. It literally went from like almost 18 miles to the gallon to like 14.
It's right now at 14.9 miles a gallon.
Yeah. It's because it's a truck. It's because it's a Chevy.